This is Diamond Icons 4652. Someone in this break is going to win themselves the Angels as well as their own team. I've taken them out of this list and we're going to randomize it 5 times. Team on the top will get them. Good luck, everybody. Thank you to Jersey Joe, Helmet Joe, whatever you want to call him, for closing it out. And to all of you for your patience. Well, this one fills the Royals 5 times. Royals. Jamie McGregor. One of the first ones in. He's had to wait the longest. Equals Angels. Good luck to Jamie if you're watching. And good luck to everybody. Diamond Icons. I don't want to wreck the box. I'm going to go in here. Stuff it. I'm wrecking the box. Magnet. I might use that idea for my product. I'm keeping this box. Oh, Blake wants the box. Are you in the break, Blake? If you're in the break, I'll give you the box, Blake. Hello, Tabby.
Hey, man. I've got to see this.
Yeah, same. Tabby, hide the top. Oh, no, there's a paper thing on the bottom. We're okay.
Okay.
People cheat, Tabby. All right. Good luck. This is a little paper card. Okay. It's got its own spacer. That's a big start, Tabby. 1 of 1, Ronald Acuna Jr.
Jeez. Are you serious?
Tabby, pay attention.
Wow. My goodness.
1 of 1, Tabby. How good is that card? Tabby, can you tell me who has them while I get a nice little sleeve happening?
Who was the fourth for again?
Braves.
Braves?
Braves.
Atlanta Braves. Trevor Halsey. We'll go with Halsey.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Hals.
Good start, Trevor.
Trevor. Yes.
All right, next card. This is nice too, Tabby.
Yeah.
3 of 15. Patch auto of Greg Maddux. Game used. That's nice, Tabby.
Who's that for?
13 of 15. Braves. Braves.
Well,
Tabby, you just looked them up.
I did.
Tabby is
What?
rattled at how many hits Trevor has hit.
Trevor's just...
Oh, this is what they were saying, Tabby. There's a lot of... Cody, I love it. I'm all in. I'm going to bust the box after the show. That's a lie. Speaking of Cody's, 10 of 10, purple auto, Cody Bellinger. I like this little, how it's raised on the background.
For the Dodgers?
Dodgers, Tabby, yes.
Dan Lee.
Dan Lee is happy. 10 of 10 of Cody. Oh, Cody thought it might have been for him.
Oh.
But it was just the same name. I forgot he was in this break. Cody, I'm sorry. Jeepers.
That's cool.
Okay. Numbered 2 of 4. It's a cut auto of Rick Ferrell. Or Farrell. Rick Farrell? Farrell?
Yeah.
Rick?
We'll go with that.
St. Louis Browns, Tabby. Who does that
Oh.
go to? They don't exist anymore. It might be the... Well, I don't want to say it's still St. Louis. Let's look them up. St. Louis Browns. Who did they become? Baltimore. Is that right? Let's check it. It is Baltimore. Thank you, Blake. Baltimore. Who's got them, Tabby?
Well, let's have a look. This one. Baltimore.
Trevor again.
No, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, gee.
Don't worry about the
whiz.
teams doubling up. This is Trevor's personal box.
Oh,
How good
this
is that
good.
patch? Tabby.
What?
1 of 25 patch auto Wade Boggs, and that patch is amazing. That is a high quality piece of material. That is
There's a lot going on, and I'm okay with it.
Tampa Bay, Tabby.
Tampa Bay.
Brad Fry.
Oh, in the highlight.
Yeah. Boggsy, that's one of Blake's mates from The Simpsons.
Oh, that's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. 15 of 25. It's Vladimir Guerrero, senior style. Senior. Big Vladdy, 15 of 25. Montreal Expos. Who did they become, Toby?
Let's have a look. So sensitive.
Oh my God, just click it. Nationals. Nats, okay, that's it. Nats, we can look up the Nationals, Tabby. Oh, you're struggling with that mouse a bit, aren't you?
I'm not used to mouses. So who is it?
Washington
The Nationals.
might have been the bottom bit.
Yes.
Stephen Basili, he's had a good night.
People have seen spoilers?
I don't think so. They're just hoping. This is number 7 of 25 for the White Sox. It's Carlton Fisk.
What is that card?
He's signed a piece of. This sign. No, it doesn't tell you what it's on. Someone will know what that is. Some little disc thing.
For the White Sox?
Yes.
Was a prize giveaway.
Oh, James Flynn.
James Flynn.
Big prize winner guy. This product is amazing, Tabby. Make a basketball one like this.
Yeah.
Knob. That's not very nice, Clayton. Bat knob, Tabby.
Ah, I get it.
9 of 25 for the Angels, the giveaway team. Anthony Rendon.
Jamie McGregor with the Angels.
He signed his knob. Yeah, everyone's coming after me, Blake. They've called me knob a lot. I deserve it. But, no, well, that's rough. Okay. How many cards left? I'm not sure.
This doesn't end, and that's fine.
I think this might be the second last. 3 of 5 for the Giants. Joey Bart.
That red
Bart!
is gorgeous. For who, sorry? The Giants.
Mm-hmm.
Marcel Zonino
Zanino.
for San Francisco. I love that red, almost more than the gold.
To San Francisco. Now we might be at the last card here, Tabby. I believe that is the last card. No. Okay. Who's got him, Tabby? Numbered 1 of 5. Alec Bomb. I don't know what that is. It's a bit of a rock or a gem or let's check. A genuine.
Diamond in the rough.
It's an uncut diamond
No way.
of Alec Bomb for the Phillies, who are with Thomas Maitland. Why wouldn't they cut it for us? Just cut it for us next time, Tony. Now we have to rip it out and file it down or something. I'm not sure how you get a diamond out or what the rules are. That is very nice. 1 of 5. Thomas Maitland.
People are going wild.
Holy shit. Phillies rocket chips.
Oh, sorry, Cody. Oh.
That's it, Tabby. That's the box. Let's go through again because that is Diamond in the Rough is the name. Thank you, Zombie Cat. Bomb. Bart. Rendon. Fisk. Vlad Senior. That's one of the nicest patches you'll ever see. Whoever gets this, just appreciate that. And a cut auto. Is old Rick Ferrell any good, or was he good? I've never heard of him, if I'm being honest. Cody Bellinger, Greg Maddux, and the start of the box had the 101 R.A. Jr.
Wow.
That has been 4-6-5-2.
So the Braves